back to Daytime Live. What's happening, Dr. Shepherd?
No, so Van Jones is taking progressive
Van Jones
to a new level. Now, the activist and CNN commentator is a proud new dad.
Hey.
And he and the baby's mom just might inspire a new movement in parenting.
Van said, quote, after the COVID lockdown, I got clear that I wanted another kid. I discovered that my friend Noemi, also wanted a baby. So we decided to join forces and become conscious co-parents. It's a concept that I hope more people explore and consider.
He added, quoted, this month we welcome to Earth a baby girl whom we will raise as co-parenting partners. This is a special time for our families. I feel grateful, joyful, and blessed, end quote.
One source described Noemi's and Van's current relationship as a very modern arrangement. They're not a couple, but they are a team that wants to raise a kid together. Well, you know what they say about friends in need. The two have been friends for several years. Van has 2 children from his previous marriage, and this is Noemi's first. So I ask you, Angus, do you think conscious co-parenting is something that you would consider doing? So once the lip is up, you see when the lip up, proper
First of all, the story of some things that I want to clarify.
Okay.
First of all, when you say
yes,
that you decided to have a child, right?
Yes.
That you guys came together.
Yes.
What you mean that you came together? This is not like, this is not buying a car. You know?
The man did not say about how. Him just say, him decided he want a baby, and the lady said she want a baby. They never say how they went about procreating the baby.
But that's what
that
I
was
am
not
saying.
addressed.
So me want to know how that works.
We don't need to know that.
How that
People
works.
Business.
So like me and you a friend.
It was either a turkey baster.
So me and you a friend.
No.
You
give me nightmares with them friends.
I am not.
No, brother.
I am not bearing the fame. I don't want bear the. I'm not bearing the fame if I don't play the game.
No.
I am saying, use my friend. Obviously, his friend is quite attractive.
You don't know that. She got ugly.
No, you saw a picture of her. Could you put back her picture?
I'm gonna leave the girl alone.
You look at her. Look at that. Look at that. You have conscious co-parenting. This was conscious, but I don't think it's a co-parenting.
Anyway, let me stay on target. Yes.
I am staying. Don't me right on target. Me not miss. He never miss neither. They welcome a child to Earth. What do you mean they welcome a child to Earth? What do you mean by that?
The man I used.
Where the child come from? We talk about to welcome the child to Earth. Because at Earth the child make you can't welcome something where they already.
What he's saying is
what?
That the soul lives outside
anyway,
the realm.
Moving right along.
Okay.
Moving right along. They right? You talk about conscious co-parenting. So, basically what
Why
they're
don't I not talk about the points?
I am a friend.
Okay.
You're a friend.
Why are you on that point?
You want a next child, me want a next child. So we just come together and decide we're going to have this child together for years upon years upon years upon years.
Because they're friends, long time friends. Anyway, do you think it's a good idea?
Oh, we my child chick. Conscious co-parenting.
I know. Anyway,
our host, the pool.
Let the voice of reason enter the chat. Okay, the voice of reason is entering the chat. So here is the thing. Let's us just say that everything that the man said is as it is. I think that's a wonderful idea. I feel like a lot of times persons buck up into parenting and you end up having
That's what they call a jacket. Go on talk.
That is not at all. No, you buck up. That's not a jacket.
Yeah.
You could end up, you were doing something and something never worked and that never worked and you end up in a situation with somebody that you're like, guess we're going to have to do this thing together. That's not a jacket. That's life.
That's called staying out too late and having too much to drink.
Anyway, the point is, for them to make, let's say everything is as he said it is, for them to make that decision, listen, I would like a child. Would you like a child? Actually, I want a child. Okay, do you think that we could co-parent? Do you think? Or philosophies and stuff.
Let's go to the supermarket and go into aisle 7 and let's get a child together.
No, but they could have done IVF. They could have done implantation. It could have been many things. They don't have to. They don't have to do. They don't have to knock boots.
I go to implant my IVF. That I try to tell you.
Why him can't serious?
But who says that? I'm not joking. I'm
So
not
do
joking.
you think?
No, I don't think.
Do you think persons, not them, not them.
I don't think.
Do you think you could
No,
co-parent?
no, conscious co-parent, no. No, me not, no.
Why?
No, anybody I'm having a child with is somebody who I want to be with.
Okay.
Me for to see my sister and I say, hey, sister, what's up? I want a baby. You want a baby?
But how old is Van? He's 44, and so. Yeah, you know what the truth of the matter is? I could.
Yeah, yes, man. Try to tell a lie. Try to tell a lie.
You know what? Let me tell you guys something. I'm going to let you guys into a little secret of mine, right? My daughter's father and I, we made a decision. We said, okay, because we didn't want to have different fathers, different mothers, whatever, we wanted to be one unit regardless. So we said, whatever happened between us, we would have more children with, look at Dr. You can ask him to sit down. We would have more children with each other because we felt that's one way to ensure that our family is safe. We don't have to worry about this man coming into the house or this woman coming to the house. We know each other, we know the unit, and that's something that we decided upon.
And how has that worked out thus far?
It's really good.
How many more kids do you have?
I'm good with one. I was good with the one. No. And everybody are laughing at the room. Here's the thing. I have decided, my daughter is 17.
Right.
And I have not felt the urge to bring a
Co-parent.
no more.
Right.
And that's it.
Has he fathered more?
He has one more. No, but he came and asked and was like, babe, and I was like, I don't want any more, honey. So that was I didn't want any more. So I was like, go sow your oats. So you go, sow your seed, sow your oats. Dufton, why we can't have serious conversation with this man here? Walk on.
No, but okay, you may be laughing at how I'm bringing across the points, but has anything I have said not been rooted in fact and actually how stuff?
I think if you don't see it, I honestly
because you just brought something up in that you guys decided that this is how you're going to do in order to maintain your family structure. Well, apparently this structure broke.
If we wanted it, but we didn't want it anymore.
Right, but he decided he wanted
yes,
more.
And
then you are the one who should be held liable.
Liable for what?
Because you agreed with him that if it is...
Yes, but that was like 10
more
years
kids,
after, listen.
Both of you, and he wanted more, and you decided no.
I didn't want any more.
So yeah, I'm for you.
He loves me.
You should take care of that child as your own because you
take care of his child as my own?
Yes.
The next one. Well, we also said if something ever happened to him, that he asked if I would intervene and look after his son. And I'm like, hell yes, I would.
Yeah, but
because that's my daughter's brother. So he's my family too.
But right.
And the little boy calls himself Jones. I'm just going to say that because my daughter's last name is Jones. His name is not Jones, but he calls himself Jones because they're so close. And we love them. Daytime Live, Angus, will be right back with a music video from Nigeria's pop star, Rima. Look at his face. Let it go, man. Let it go. Let it go.